Let's get your Claude account downgraded so you can stop paying for the premium tier and get back to using the free version. First, open up your web browser, go to claude.ai, and make sure you are logged into the specific account you want to change. Once your dashboard loads up, take your mouse and move it all the way down to the bottom left corner of the screen where you see your name or your initials. Click on that profile section to open up a small pop-up menu. From this list of options, click on the one that says Settings, which also has a small gear icon right next to it. This will open your main account configuration page. Now look at the left-hand sidebar menu inside this window and navigate to the section labeled Billing. Clicking this will bring up your current subscription details. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this billing page and look for a button that says Cancel. Go ahead and click that. Claude will show you a quick feedback page where you can select a reason for your cancellation if you want to, but the important thing is to look for the final confirmation button at the bottom of that form. Click on Cancel Plan to officially finalize the process. Now, that goes both ways when it comes to account features. The major issue here is that the moment you confirm this downgrade, you immediately lose your access to the higher usage limits, priority processing during peak hours, and any advanced models included in the premium tier. You will be restricted back to the standard daily message limits of the public free plan. In my case, I prefer saving the monthly fee when my project workload drops, so the lower limits are a fair trade-off. Once you see the confirmation message that your subscription is scheduled to end, you can safely back out of this settings menu.